I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing doors, handles, and any magnetic catches so you can work flat and precise. Measure each panel carefully and add a 1/2 inch overlap on all sides to allow for alignment and trimming. Clean with a degreaser and scuff with 220 grit sandpaper so the adhesive bonds. This matters because slick finishes repel wallpaper glue. Once done, lay the wallpaper face down and align the pattern with your measurements before applying adhesive or using pre-pasted activation. You apply adhesive thinly and evenly or dampen pre-pasted paper per manufacturer's instructions. Even coverage prevents bubbles. Position the top edge and unroll while smoothing with a flexible squeegee, working from the center out to push air and excess paste away. Make careful pattern matches at seams and use a straight edge plus a very sharp blade to trim excess. Leave an 1/8 inch in corners so you can tuck and fine-tune. Once seams are matched, wipe away paste with a damp sponge to avoid. You let the paper dry fully, usually 24 to 48 hours, before rehanging doors and reinstalling hardware so seams set and adhesive cures. Make sure to run a thin bead of clear acrylic sealant on any exposed edges near sinks or humid areas to prevent lifting. If you find trapped bubbles, lift the seam gently and re-squeegee. For small bubbles, prick with a fine pin and press the air out, then dab with adhesive and smooth. This saves a full redo and keeps the finish flawless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.